Welcome to episode 17. Function composition and partial application. Clojure gives you a handful of tools for building functions out of functions. Comp, partial, juxt, and complement. We'll try each one in the REPL, then build a small pipeline. Let's start the REPL. Comp composes functions right to left. str wraps the result of inc. Partial prefills the first arguments of a function. Juxt applies many functions to one input and collects the results. It works great with keyword accessors on maps. Complement flips any predicate. Here, not empty from empty. 3 is odd, so complement of even returns true. Control-D exits. Now let's write composition.clj. Two comment lines to label the file. Comp section. Define inc, then str by composing str over inc. Save the composed function. Apply inc, then str wraps the result. A bigger pipeline. Uppercase after trim. Read right to left. Shout trims white space first, then uppercases what's left. Partial section. Add 10 is plus, with the first argument fixed. Call add 10 with 5 and you get 15 back. Times 3 passed into map multiplies every element. Define the partial once, reuse it everywhere you need it. Juxt section. Bounds returns first and last in a vector. both ends of the sequence in a single call. Name and age pulls two keys out of a map at once. Keywords act as functions. Juxt just calls each of them. Complement section. Not empty is just the flip of empty. No need to write the negation by hand. Truthy on a non-empty vector, falsy on an empty one. Pipeline, lowercase, then trim, then capitalize, all composed into clean name. Three small string functions. One named pipeline. A list of messy names to feed through. Map clean name over the raw names and everyone comes out tidy. Partial with str gives a tagger that prepends user colon. One partial, one prefix, baked right in. Map tag over the list, and each name gets the prefix. Let's run the file. Comp, 6 as a string, and hello trimmed and uppercased. Partial, 15 from add 10, and 3, 6, 9, 12 from times 3. Juxt first and last, and name with age pulled from the map. Complement, true for non-empty, false for empty. Pipeline, Ada, Grace, Linus, all cleaned up. Tag each name with the user :prefix. Episode 17. Complete. Quick recap. Comp composes functions right to left. Partial pre-fills arguments. Juxt runs many functions on one input. Complement flips any predicate. Next up, transducers. Thanks for watching episode 17. You can now build functions out of functions: comp, partial, juxt, and complement. Next up, episode 18, transducers for performance-friendly pipelines.